Hello, we're back for day 3, and basically we're changing up the strategy a little bit. I watched a few videos basically analyzing the different outreach methods, and email marketing came a lot higher than DMing, especially because it's just more professional looking. More people are going to be looking for these types of deals in their email more than their DMs, unless they're like the micro influencers might be looking in their DMs, but brands especially would be looking in their email if you think about it. So what I started by doing was getting 50 brands, scraping 50 brands using Manus, and just getting their information overall. Like I asked it, can you get a list of 50 emails of brands and their sites and everything. So it went through and got all that, finding the target audience that I need and everything, focusing on like the fitness niche still, like here, focusing on the fitness niche. And then the reason I'm not using Base 44 right now is because I'm using it for more compact things that relate more to like editing certain parts of the business. So, or the brand, whatever you want to call it. And after that, I asked it to take 2 of the brands from this list. And I'll keep asking it to do this. I'm doing 2 because a lot of times when you do more than like 10, Gmail will like flag it as spam because it detects that you sent like a lot of messages in a short period of time. And another reason I'm not using Base 44 for this is because it finds a lot of not real emails. Manage is able to go through Instagram a lot easier because it's owned by Meta, so that's what I recommend. But when you do get it, you're able to what's it called? And also the documents look better from Manus. But if you are able to get it to them, I feel like you can impress them with this. Like one person did really like it, if I can find him. I don't know. Oh, you know, it's in my inbox. But some people do really like it. Like here, he was he states that he was impressed by the breakdown, which barely took any time to make, especially if you just tell it to break down too. You'll go into all their stuff and it'll personally make something for them. Now, I did have to do a little bit of edits, like telling it to make it simpler and more engaging with graphs. So it was able to make a new one. That's the email. It was able to make a new one, which helped analyze, so it's easier to read because you don't want them reading too much, or else they're just gonna like leave. So that's like basically my idea. I'm gonna send. I decided to send these two, or I didn't send them yet. I'm gonna draft them because now is not ideal to send. No one's responding to their emails at 10:30 at night. So I asked it if it can send these with PDFs, and then it asked me how if I wanted to send now a draft or manually send. Like I want to download it. This is too much work. This defeats the purpose of using the AI. So I told it to draft an email, put it here. Drafted the second email, put it there. Both PDFs are there. And whenever I do want to send it, I just go into my drafts. I can send it. I also do want to change this. You want to change this because you don't want just you don't want to just say from agency because that's a bit odd. But yeah, that's one thing you need to watch out for. Sometimes it like says like this is an AI or like it just says agency. It doesn't really like it just like wants you to add to it. So you don't want to just blatantly send things like that. You want to make sure it's not putting that at the end. That's another reason I didn't want to just send it when it asked me. But this will definitely speed up the process. Obviously, you don't want to do like 50 at one time because you don't want it to be flagged. But if I do 2 at a time, I can even do send now at certain times, especially if like here, especially like if it's like in the middle of the school day and I'm doing something, I can just say send like create 3 PDFs and send now, and it'll send it. Just at this time, you don't want to. But overall, I'll catch after I send some emails at a better time, I'll catch it up with you guys and show you the progress and if anyone emails back or if we get any deals. And other than that, we'll see the progress and I'll see you in the next one.